Hi friends, Chris Lehenbauer here with video number 7 in our electronics mounting series. Today I want to talk about an easy and convenient way to securely mount and protect some of the most popular single board computers and microcontrollers out there using the phase dock slide. The slide is specially designed with raised bosses to lift and protect the underside of your board. The bosses are also designed to accept hex nuts on the backside. That means you can attach your board to the slide using machine screws. Now you can easily and securely remove and replace your component from the slide as many times as you like. Why is that important? Let's say you start out with an Arduino Uno and you decide that a Mega is more appropriate for your project. Since the Mega matches the 4 holes of the Uno, you can use the same slide. Even though the Uno is longer, that's not a problem because you can reorganize your components quickly with the clicks. Or you might start with a single Raspberry Pi and decide later to double your compute power. That's a simple change. To substitute standoffs for your machine screws, stack on another Pi on top and go again. To use a slide with a WorkBench, you install hex nuts in the bosses and then you glue the slide to a click. It forms a single complete unit that's compatible with the phase dock matrix. We have videos for that on our website. Many of the more popular single board computers and microcontrollers can take advantage of a phase dock slide adapter. We currently have 8 configurations with more on the way. We'll be rolling out the specs and the STLs for slides to Thingiverse soon, so you'll be able to design and print your own slides. We'll talk about that in our upcoming Hack the Workbench video. A given slide supports any board that has the same mounting hole pattern. So, for example, this Arduino slide works perfectly well with the SparkFun Red board, the Arduino 4.2, and a Nucleo 64 pin. Of course, all the Arduino clones share the same mounting hole pattern. The Raspberry Pi became so popular that many companies just copied that layout. So along with the Raspberry Pi 2, 3, and 4, this slide supports more than 14 other boards. Of course, you need a different slide for a Pi Zero and for the BeagleBone Black. We're not aware of any other boards that match those configurations, but there may be some out there. Here's an interesting design. The feather particle slide has dual mounting bosses, so you can choose whether to mount the feather wing, which is larger, to the outer mounting holes, or direct mount a feather or a particle to the inner mounting holes, like this. The Circuit Playground Express lacks designating mounting holes. What it does have is these alligator clip contact pads around the periphery of the board. That was a bit of a head scratcher, but we solved that problem by using the 3 ground terminal holes to mount this board. You thread a hex nut onto a long machine screw, which you tighten into the slide through the ground terminal holes. Then firmly tighten down the hex nut onto the contact pad to form the electrical connection. So now instead of clipping to the contact pads, you clip to the machine screw. And for those of you digging into AI or high-end robotics, our newest click supports the NVIDIA Jetson Nano. That's the list for now. If I didn't mention a slide for your favorite board, check www.phasedock.com. We add new slides all the time. We'd love to hear your thoughts on what you'd like to see added to the family next. Joining our Facebook user group is a great way to let us know what you think. And remember, slides are convenience, not a necessity, so you can succeed without one, and we'll be talking about ways to do that in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and happy making.